Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 1 is prove that part number 1 has sine into 180 degree plus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Take left hand side sine into 180 degree plus theta. We use the formula for sine alpha plus beta. We have sine 180 degree cos theta plus cos 180 degree sine theta. We know that sine 180 degree is equal to 0 multiplied by cos theta, and cos 180 degree is equal to minus 1 multiplied by sine theta. So we have 0 minus sine theta, which is equal to minus sine theta, which is required right hand side. Part number 2 of question number 1 is cos into 180 degree plus theta equal to minus cos theta. Now take left hand side cos into 180 degree plus theta. By using formula for cos alpha plus beta, we have cos 180 degree cos theta minus c for change. If there is positive sign between the angles, then by using the formula for cos alpha plus beta, we have negative sign between trigonometric functions. Sine 180 degree sine theta. We know that cos 180 degree is minus 1 multiplied by cos theta, and sine 180 degree is equal to 0 multiplied by sine theta, which is equal to minus cos theta minus 0, which is equal to minus cos theta as required on right hand side. Part number 3 of question number 1, tan 270 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. We remember this if in case of tan theta, if one of them is odd multiple of 90 degree like 270 degree 90 degree, then we cannot use the formula for tan alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta. Otherwise we can use. In case of odd multiple of 90 degree involving trigonometric function tan theta, we use allied angle technique. Left hand side tan 270 degree minus theta. It can be written as tan 3 multiplied by 90 degree minus theta. Since 3 is an odd multiple of theta, and we can make the quadrant wise 0, 1, 2 and 3 into 90 degree, and we have a negative sign for in case of theta, so 390 degree minus theta lies in third quadrant. This value lies in third quadrant. In case of odd multiple of theta, trigonometric function change, and tan theta will be changed into cot tan, and into 90 degree plus minus theta will be changed into cot theta, and in third quadrant tan theta is positive. Therefore the sign of converted trigonometric function will be positive. So we have tan 270 minus theta is equal to plus cot theta as required on right hand side. Cos into theta minus 180 degree is equal to minus cos theta. Since in left hand side we have cos into theta minus 180 degree. By using formula cos of alpha minus beta, we have cos theta cos 180 degree and plus sin theta and sin 180 degree. Cos theta, we know that value of cos 180 degree is minus 1 plus sin theta, and we know that value of sin 180 degree is 0. We have minus cos theta plus 0, which is equal to minus cos theta as required. Cos into 270 degree plus theta is equal to sin theta. Left hand side, cos 270 degree plus theta. By using formula, we have cos 270 degree cos theta minus sin 270 degree sin theta. We know that cos 270 degree is equal to 0 multiplied by cos theta, and sin 270 degree is equal to minus 1 multiplied by sin theta. So we have 0 plus sin theta, which is equal to sin theta as required on right hand side. Now we have part number 6 of question number 1. Sin into theta plus 270 degree is equal to minus cos theta. Taking left hand side, sin into theta plus 270 degree, we use the formula sin of alpha plus beta sin theta cos 270 degree plus cos theta sin 270 degree. Sin theta, value of cos 270 degree is 0 and plus cos theta, and value of 270 degree is minus 1. 0 minus cos theta is equal to minus cos theta, which is required on right hand side. Part number 7. Tan into 180 degree plus theta is equal to tan theta. Taking left hand side, tan into 180 degree plus theta, it can be written as tan 180 degree plus tan theta over 1 minus tan 180 degree tan theta. Tan of alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. We know that tan 180 degree is 0 plus tan theta over 1 minus 0 multiplied by tan theta. So we have tan theta over 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, and tan theta over 1 will be equal to tan theta as required on right hand side. Part number 8 of question number 1. Cos 360 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Left hand side, cos 360 degree minus theta. By using the formula cos of alpha minus beta, we have cos 360 degree cos theta plus sin 360 degree sin theta. We know that cos 360 degree is 1 multiplied by cos theta, and sin 360 degree is 0 multiplied by sin theta. which is equal to cos theta plus 0 which is equal to cos theta as required on right hand side. Question number 2. Find the values of part number 1 is sine 15 degree which is equal to sine of 60 degree minus 45 degree. We know that 60 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 15 degree. Now we use the formula for sine alpha minus beta, which is equal to sine 60 degree cos 45 degree minus cos 60 degree and sine 45 degree. We know that sine 60 degree is square root 3 over 2 and cos 45 degree 1 over square root 2 minus cos 60 degree 1 by 2 and value of sine 45 degree is equal to 1 over square root 2. So we have square root 3 over 2 square root 2 minus 1 over 2 square root 2. Taking LCM of both fractions 2 square root 2 and we have under root 3 minus 1 as required. Part number 2 is cos 15 degree. It also written as cos into 60 degree minus 45 degree. By using the formula cos alpha minus beta, cos 60 degree cos 45 degree plus sine 60 degree and sine 45 degree. We have cos 60 degree 1 by 2 and value of cos 45 degree 1 over square root 2 plus square root 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 over square root 2. We have 1 over 2 square root 2 plus square root 3 over 2 square root 2. Taking LCM on both sides, we have 2 square root 2 as LCM. So in the denominator, the value will becomes 1 plus square root 3, which is required answer of cos 15 degree. Part number 3 of question number 2 is tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree, it can also be written as tan into 60 degree minus 45 degree, and we use the formula tan alpha minus beta, tan 60 degree minus tan 45 degree over 1 plus tan 60 degree or multiply by tan 45 degree. We know that tan 60 degree is equal to square root 3 and tan 45 degree equal to 1. So we have 1 plus square root 3 multiplied by 1 in the denominator. Sorry, here we have negative sign. So we have under root 3 minus 1 over square root 3 plus 1, which is required answer of tan 15 degree. Part number 4, sine 105 degree. It can be written as sine 60 degree plus 45 degree. Similarly, by using the formula sine 60 degree cos 45 degree plus cos 60 degree and sine 45 degree. Sine 60 degree square root 3 over 2, 1 over square root 2 plus 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 over square root 2. We have square root 3 over 2 square root 2 plus 1 over 2 square root 2. Taking LCM, we have LCM as 2 square root 2 and in the denominator it will become square root 3 plus 1. Part number 5, cos 105 degree. It can be written as cos of 60 degree plus 45 degree. we have cos 60 degree, cos 45 degree minus sin 60 degree and sin 45 degree. We know that value of cos 60 degree 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 over square root 2 minus square root 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 over square root 2. 1 over 2 square root 2 minus square root 3 over 2 square root 2. Taking LCM on both fractions, 2 square root 2, we have 1 minus square root minus square root 3 in the numerator. Last part of this question is tan 105 degree. It can be written as tan 60 degree plus 45 degree by using formula tan alpha plus beta, tan 60 degree plus tan 45 degree in the numerator, 1 minus tan 60 degree and tan 45 degree. We remember that tan 60 degree is equal to square root 3 and tan 45 degree is equal to 1. 1 minus square root 3 multiplied by 1. So we have 1 plus square root 3 over 1 minus square root 3, which is required answer of tan 105 degree. Question number 3 of exercise 10.2. Prove that part number 1 is sine into 45 degree plus alpha is equal to 1 over square root 2 into sine alpha plus cos alpha. Taking left hand side, sine into 45 degree plus alpha, we use by using formula cos alpha plus beta, we have sine 45 degree cos alpha plus cos 45 degree sine alpha. We know that value of sine 45 degree 1 over square root 2 cos alpha, and also value of cos 45 degree 1 over square root 2 sine alpha. By taking common 1 over square root 2, we have cos alpha plus sine alpha. It can be written as 1 over square root 2 into sine alpha plus cos alpha, which is required right hand. Cos into alpha plus 45 degree, which is equal to cos alpha cos 45 degree minus sine alpha and sine 45 degree. Similarly, putting the values of cos 45 and sine 45, 1 over square root 2 minus sine alpha 1 over square root 2. By taking common 1 over square root 2, we have cos alpha minus sine alpha, which is required on the right hand side. Question number 4 of this exercise, part number 1. Prove that tan 45 degree plus a multiplied by tan 45 degree minus a is equal to 1, which we have to show. Now we take left hand side, tan 45 degree plus a multiplied by tan 45 degree minus a. We using the formula tan alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta. So we have tan 45 degree plus tan a over 1 minus tan 45 degree multiplied by tan a. Now use this formula tan 45 degree minus tan a over 1 plus tan 45 degree multiplied by tan a. As we know that tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. and tan alpha minus beta is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta over 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. We know that tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So here we have 1 plus tan A over 1. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1 and 1 multiply by tan 45 degree is equal to 1 and 1 multiply by tan A, it will becomes tan A multiply by tan 45 degree is equal to 1 minus tan A over 1 and tan 45 degree is equal to 1 and 1 multiplied by tan A will be equal to tan A. So both fractions are reciprocal of each other. So 1 plus tan A cancel out by 1 plus tan A and 1 minus tan A cancel out by 1 minus tan A in the numerator. So we have 1 as required on right hand side. Part number 2. Tan pi by 4 plus theta minus theta plus tan 3 pi by 4 plus theta equal to 0. Now take left hand side. Tan into pi by 4 minus theta plus tan into 3 pi by 4 plus theta. By using the formula tan alpha minus beta and tan alpha plus beta, we have tan pi by 4 minus tan theta over 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta plus tan 3 pi by 4 plus theta, it will becomes tan 3 pi by 4 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan 3 pi by 4 tan theta. By using calculator, we remember tan pi by 4 is equal to 1 and tan 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. So we have 1 minus tan theta over 1 plus 1 multiplied by tan theta plus minus 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus into minus 1 multiplied by tan theta. 1 minus tan theta over 1 plus tan theta plus minus 1 plus tan theta over 1 plus tan theta. Negative into negative will becomes positive. Taking LCM on both fractions, we have 1 plus tan theta, and while in the numerator we have 1 minus tan theta minus 1 plus tan theta. We can see that tan theta and minus tan theta are cancelled each other and 1 is cancelled by minus 1. So we have 0 in the numerator and 1 plus tan theta in the denominator, and we know that 0 over something is equal to 0 as required on right hand side.